Hello, this is Lily again. As promised, I was going to show you, get my cat off of here. I got pants on that the cat will scratch and tear. But anyway, here is my foot. It's still swelled. And the pain that I was talking about is in this area. That's actually eased off right now. I can sleep at night, but after I'm up on it for a while, it hurts some. The pain that I'm having during the day and closer to the evening time is all in this heel area. I think it's where they stick, I guess, a rod or whatever it was at my foot. And then the Achilles here, I've had a lot of pain in that area by the end of the day. And as you can tell, my foot, I'm not sure exactly what time it is right now. I think it's about 3. My foot is swelled. It stays swelled most of the time. Anyway, here's my cat. Hey, kitty cat. Um, I'm hoping to get, like I said, more strength back in it. And my can't really tell about my calf muscle this way I'm sitting, but anyway, my foot is weak. I have good mobility, flexibility, but as far as the pain that I've went through in the last 3 months, oh gosh, I don't know. It's just been unbearable. Thank you, and stay tuned.